What's up, guys? Let me show you this hot SS red Camaro that's equipped with our Velux taillights that we are having on pre-order right now for you guys. What's going on with these taillights and what's going on in production? Let's go ahead and give you guys more update on this amazing taillights. One of my favorite features when it comes to our newest taillights for the 19 to 22 Camaros is the awesome amber sequential turn signals when it comes to the left and right side. It gives the car a much more trendy and modern look. Let me go over this awesome amber sequential, one of my favorite turn signal feature when it comes to adding an aftermarket set of taillights on your 19 to 22. Again, there is no aftermarket taillights available for the 19 to 22, and we're thankful for the opportunity to be the first company to offer these awesome 3D aggressive taillights for your Camaro. They are on pre-order right now. Everything's being in production. We're halfway through mass producing those, but there's a little bit of an issue. There's a big problem going on overseas right now when it comes to COVID. Shanghai's port is officially closed, and it's been closed for about 4 weeks. This might delay our shipments in about 2 to 3 weeks or potentially 4 weeks when they come to arrive, but we'll definitely be emailing all the clients that pre-ordered these taillights to let them know what's going on. We appreciate you guys' patience, and these taillights is a must for your vehicle, and I can't wait to show you guys when we get them in. After going all over the taillights, let's go ahead and highlight this amazing Camaro SS. We got a lot of carbon fiber components on it, our conversion bumper, high wing, side rockers, diffuser, taillights. Let's go ahead and get started, and I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so you probably heard of this gentleman. He has 2 American muscle cars, and he just recently purchased a new car right now. If you guys haven't heard of him, he owns a very bright Mustang out in Florida, and he just purchased a very bright Camaro out in Florida. Can you guys guess who this person is? Well, we're about to go on FaceTime with him right now, introduce you guys to him and see his vehicle. We are interested in working with him and helping him modify and build his Camaro. So let's go ahead and get started, and I can't wait to show you who we're gonna be talking to in about 5 seconds or so. Is it working? What up, brother? How are you?
I'm doing pretty well. How about you?
I'm doing great. Obviously, we're contacting you right now to meet the beautiful car right behind you, and of course, meet you. Yeah. Congrats on a new purchase. What is it that the most fun thing that you like about this car right now, being stock?
I gotta say the color, man. The color is beautiful.
It definitely does pop. One of our favorite colors too. I know you just picked it up. You got a lot going on already. Well, what's your like final goals with this build?
So I'm gonna go full bolts on for this thing, and probably make around 500 wheel for like half a year, and then I'll do like a heads cam package. I mean, end goal really, I think a 9 second quarter mile would be cool in this car.
We saw those videos where you were spinning the tires a little bit.
Look at all
oh yeah. This is one of the, so when we wrap vehicles and our clients do burnouts or do all the fun stuff, that's like the #1 thing. You just gotta buff that really good to get removed. Is the OEM taillights, are you a fan of them, are you not, or you just want something different?
Honestly, I just feel like the red and the blue is a little bit too much, and I really like the white look, so I had that on the Mustang, and I think it looks so much better, you know, just white taillights and stuff.
So this is kind of a sample what we have here in our showroom, and
those are insane.
Well, I think the 16 to 18s are right here and the other wall. Then they're amber sequentials. So
put them on the car, and I'm sure people will love it. As far as the install goes, it's super simple, right?
We do have to remove the rear bumper for the 19 to 22, unfortunately. There's no way going around it, but it shouldn't take that long. You can, you know, probably about 45 minutes or so or less.
One thing I really liked, you guys, I mean, you work with Anderson, right?
Correct, 100%.
So that ZL1 1LE wing is insane. Like,
yes. That one is actually, we have one in our display room. All one piece carbon fiber, even the legs itself. If people don't want to do the high wing, then they can do the trunk with the integrated spoiler. Yeah, and then this is your diffuser as well in carbon fiber. It fits a quad tip if you ever want that, and then it has the integrated fins in carbon. And this is our conversion 1LE bumper for the 19 and up.
Oh, wow.
This is like the steering wheels for the Gen 6s with the LED heads up, perforated leather. You could do blue which is really cool because we have all types of carbons, so you can kind of match the car.
Oh, so the actual carbon changes, like you can change the color of the carbon?
Yes, we're one of the few companies that offer legit, real carbon fiber that's in different colors. We also have the Forge line, which is right here.
Yeah, that's insane.
In that case, we'll stay in touch, keep us in the loop, and we'll definitely be in communication very soon.
All right, brother, have a
All right,
good
man.
day.
You talk to you soon, man. Peace out.
See ya.
Later. What's up, guys? We got this beautiful SS in. Our customer just purchased this about a month ago, and he's already on his second month with this beautiful SS. As you guys right here, he's gonna be equipped with our UMBRA taillights, signature 3D amber sequential, and as well, he's gonna be changing out to the GM OEM third brake light smoky. Why is he changing out this third brake light? One of the reasons is the smoke taillights are gonna be all blacked out. This is definitely gonna throw off the look of the vehicle. So therefore, we're gonna replace it and give him the smoky OEM GM third brake light. Let's go ahead and get started. And I can't wait to show you guys the final finish with this beautiful product that we offer for you guys. All right, this is something really cool, guys. What do you guys get when you guys unpackage an Auto Addict package taillight, whether it's a Gen 5 or a Gen 6? Let's go ahead and go over everything. So obviously you'll get a pair of your taillights that you guys purchase. Secondly, we give you guys an airplane tag that has our logo on it and our saying on the back, mod it, break it, fix it, repeat. That's the aftermarket life, you already know. We also give you guys a clear see-through decal that you can attach anywhere that you want. It comes with the harness and all the requirements, parts that needs to be plugged in for this taillight. Everything is plug and play. You don't have to wire, splice into anything whatsoever. So let's go ahead and get started and show you guys what we gotta do to remove this OEM taillight and slap on our signature UMBRA taillights. All right, guys, let's go ahead and go over the details. As you can see, a very aggressive rear end look going with the UMBRA signature taillights and their amber sequential. As you can see right here, you got the reverse light, the amber sequential, and the nighttime running in super bright mode, as well equipped with the GM OEM smoke third brake light. Really aggressive look. As he's noticed, this was red before. It wasn't gonna match the look that he was going for, so we had to make sure it completes everything on the trunk with adding the third brake light. We're super excited. We can't wait to see what's next for this car, but the rear setup is all good to go, and I can't wait to see what we got more for this build. June 5th, Sunday, from 8 o'clock to 3 p.m., we're hosting our new grand opening for Auto Addicts USA's headquarters. We can't wait to show you guys. You guys are all invited. Bring in your cars, your family, and friends to hang out with us from 8 o'clock to 3. We can't wait to show you guys what we got over here, and stay tuned for all the builds that we're gonna be hosting in our new headquarters.